Hello everyone, Mark Houlihan here with Mustang Monthly and the Mustang360.com network. We are working on our Week to Wicked Fox Mustang hatchback, and we have Alan Breer here from KONI North America. He's the North American sales manager, and he brought out some of their beautiful yellow dampers for us. Alan, thanks for coming out. Thanks for supporting the project. Tell us what we've got here on the table and what we're doing on the Mustang.
Well, Mark, I appreciate you guys having us out. So we have our classic, KONI yellows. It's our KONI Sport adjustables. These are a single adjustable rebound damping. They do come with the KONI tool here. So it's a very common upgrade for the older Mustangs, all the way back to the 60s, 70s, 80s, 90s, even all the way up to the current day Mustangs.
Well, it's beautiful with the hatchback that we're working on. The upper shock access is right there. Pop the plastic trim covers off, and of course under the hood we'll have the Maximum Motorsports caster camber plates with the tip of the strut right there, so it's easy to adjust on the fly. We don't have to crawl inside the trunk or anything, or get a trunk monkey.
Exactly. The KONI Yellow Sports, we're here with Maximum Motorsports, great partners of ours. They have their coilover conversion that they put onto these products. And they're really, track oriented, somebody that's willing to sacrifice a little bit of comfort for more added performance. So they go to KONI shocks for their stage kits that they have. They pair them together with a lot of the rest of their suspension modifications. You're going to love your new car, the new ride that's in that.
Yeah, I'm really looking forward to getting behind the wheel and turning a few corners with the Maximum Motorsports grip in a box kit, along with their coilover conversion on your dampers here. We actually have a set of dampers with the Maximum Motorsports coilover already installed on it, ready to go. These are our show pieces. So we'll let you box these back up, and then we're going to get back out there and finish up that Maximum Motorsports suspension so we can take it for a drive. Alan, thanks for coming out.
Mark, thank you.
All right.